Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to my channel. If you are tired of washing baby bottles by hand every single day, both the Momcozy KleanPal Pro and the GROWNSY EaseClean Pro look like they could solve the problem. They both wash, sterilize, dry, and store your baby's bottles. They both have 26 separate jets. They both offer 9 cleaning modes, and both can keep your cleaned items stored up to 7 to 2 hours. So at first, they look almost identical, but after looking at the features, capacity, maintenance, warranty, and real parent experiences, there are some differences that could make one a better choice for you. So in this video, I'm going to keep things simple and focus on the differences that actually matter when you are using one of these machines every day. Let's start with the Momcozy KleanPal Pro. The Momcozy KleanPal Pro is designed to handle most of the daily bottle cleaning routine in one machine. You can use it for baby bottles, pump parts, pacifiers, and other compatible fitting accessories. For cleaning, Momcozy uses 26 separate jets, including directional jets designed to clean the inside of bottles and swirling jets for the outside surfaces. It also has 9 cleaning combinations with options like rapid wash, normal wash, sterile, and dry and storage. The rapid wash cycle takes about 19 minutes, which is useful when you need clean bottles quickly. One feature I think is particularly important for pumping parents is its support for wearable pump parts. After washing, the machine uses steam sterilization and drying, and the storage function can keep your items inside for up to 72 hours. Momcozy also uses an H13 HEPA filter and includes 60 official detergent tablets. The warranty is 1 year, and the machine is designed for 120 volt 60 Hz power. Now let's look at the GROWNSY EaseClean Pro. The basic idea is very similar, but there are a few specifications that make GROWNSY interesting. It uses 26 separate jets with 12 PCN directed jets and 14 swirling jets. GROWNSY also lists water pressure of up to 24,000 Pascal and claims the system uses less water than traditional manual washing. It has the same 19-minute quick wash option and 9 cleaning modes for sterilization. GROWNSY uses 212-degree Fahrenheit steam and claims it kills 99.99% of germs. It also dries the items with hot air and provides up to 72 hours of storage with HEPA filter. So, in terms of the basic cleaning process, there's really not a huge difference between these two machines. Capacity. One area where GROWNSY has an advantage is capacity. GROWNSY says the machine can hold approximately 4 to 8 bottles depending on how they are arranged. It can also accommodate pump parts, pacifiers, sippy cups, and other accessories. One long-term user said they were able to fit as many as 8 bottles by arranging them carefully. They used Dr. Brown's bottles, which have quite a few small parts, and said that after some trial and error, loading became much easier. With Momcozy, the supplied specification lists up to 4 bottles in its dual layer design, although one parent reported fitting more items by arranging them carefully. So if you regularly have a larger load, GROWNSY may give you more flexibility. Now let's talk about something that's often more useful than specification: real-world experiences. Momcozy received very positive feedback for saving time. One parent said their previous bottle and pump part cleaning routine took around 30 minutes, while loading the Momcozy and starting it took less than 5 minutes. Another parent reported using the machine every day for almost a year and said it continued to work well. The main complaints were relatively minor, including occasional water drops after drying and water spots when using tap water. With GROWNSY, the long-term feedback was also positive. One parent had used the machine for around 10 months and said it continued to save a lot of time. They did reported an issue with white residue appearing on bottles after using additional detergent tablets. They tried extra cleaning and rinsing and eventually changed their routine by quickly scrubbing the bottles before putting them into the machine. According to that review, this worked much better. This is only one user's experience, so I wouldn't consider it a universal problem, but it's something worth knowing. So which one should you choose? If you're mainly interested in pump part compatibility, everyday convenience, and a simple bottle cleaning routine, I would lean toward the Momcozy KleanPal Pro. But if capacity and warranty are more important to you, GROWNSY becomes very attractive. GROWNSY offers a 3-year warranty compared with Momcozy's 1-year warranty. And if you can find the GROWNSY at a good sale price, it could offer excellent value. So the Momcozy KleanPal Pro or GROWNSY EaseClean Pro, I don't think there is one winner for every parent. The Momcozy KleanPal Pro is a strong choice for parents who want convenient cleaning, especially if wearable pump parts are part of their daily routine. The GROWNSY EaseClean Pro is worth considering if you want more flexible capacity, a longer warranty, and potentially better value when discounted. Before buying either one, check your bottle sizes, pump parts, counter space, detergent requirements, and especially the 120 volt 60 Hz power requirement, because the best bottle washer isn't necessarily the one with the most features. It's the one that fits your routine and actually saves you time. So which you choose, Momcozy or GROWNSY? Let me know in the comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and also video to SP5 for more baby gear reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.